Hello you guys and welcome back to my channel. I've been talking about this in my last video and last to last video that I'll be reviewing certain products. So these are the products which I am going to be reviewing today. So it is not a makeup tutorial, it's a product reviewing video. For my face, I haven't applied anything. I've applied a good moisturizer on my face, a little primer on my face, just a spray priming water. I sprayed some priming water and a normal very creamy lipstick. It's obviously not matte, it's creamy. It's of Colorbar, and just this is just I'm at home and I'm doing nothing, that kind of video. First product, okay, most of these products are skin care products. Okay, so these are all skin care products. These are not makeup product except for one product is a makeup product. Rest 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 products are skincare products. So let's jump into the video. So the first product which I'm going to be reviewing are these mask sheets, Nykaa Skin Secrets. These are mask sheets of Nykaa. Their MRP is ₹100 per sheet. I took 7 of them and there was an offer that if you buy 7 you have to pay for 4. So I paid $400 and I got 7 sheets. I've used 4 sheets and these 3 are left. One is this gooseberry plus papaya for nourished brightened skin. The next one is black mud plus aloe vera for purified and hydrated skin. Third is charcoal, which is my favorite product in skincare. So charcoal plus bamboo for purified nourished skin. So these are the mask sheets which are ₹100. The thing is, when I got them, like I paid 400 for 7 sheets, and next day there was an offer. Like when I received them, after that there was an offer, buy 7 get 7 free. So I was very pissed, but you cannot predict sales. So yeah, that's how it works. Now I can't get more because of the lockdown. These are amazing. Okay, these actually work. I have used skin sheets of Garnier also, then Lotus, then Face Shop, and Face Shop ki अच्छी हैं. They are good sheets of Face Shop, but Nykaa one is best according to me. When you apply, they say you have to keep it for 10 to 15 minutes. I keep it for 25 minutes at least, 20 to 25 minutes. And when I remove it, skin is very moisturized. It's very nourished. It's very shiny and glowy. And it's very clean, no clogged pores, or it cleans your pores and everything. So these sheets are a must if you start using them. I was not using them like before 2-3 months, but ever since I started trying these are amazing. Now I have to use one per week. I use one per week. I just have to. When I apply it, I actually feel it's actually soothing my skin. Makes my skin very cool and very hydrated. So these are actually very must. Start using these, and you can buy on whenever there are offers like buy 7 get 7. So these kind of offers are there. I have left with 3. I've been using these, so these are amazing. First product, 5 out of 5, 5-star rating. Okay, so the next product are like face washes. So the first face wash is this one, Garnier Skin Natural Gentle Soothing Face Wash. Gently cleanses skin, feels fresh and purified. Orange fruit water. Okay, this is ₹55. Very economical for 50 grams. पर ये बहुत अच्छा है. This is very amazing. It is a transparent face wash. It is very jelly kind of face wash, and it actually cleans your skin. You just need to use it like a sabun soap, and it's very good. Like, it really hydrates and makes your skin very clean, and nothing, I didn't feel anything reaction or something on my face. So very good. Next product is again a face wash. Okay, let's show you both these. Okay, I'm a fan of charcoal. Like, I love charcoal products to be using on my skin. These are the two. This is my most favorite face wash. I have one lying in my washroom already, and this is another new pack. This is Bombay Shaving Company. Okay, its name is Bombay Shaving Company, but it's a unisex company, and it has this charcoal face wash. It's pollution and oil control. It is actually oil control face wash. When you it's absolutely anti shine. There's no shine when you use this face wash, and very glowy skin, but matte glowy skin, no oil or nothing, no sagginess in the skin, so it's very good. Activated charcoal, it removes the dirt, excess oil and other impurities from the skin. It actually works. It's 45 grams only for 130 rupees, so it's fine. Like for face wash, it's good. I use it once at least, and it's like black. It's proper black. एक black color होता है ना, like a black gel, not transparent gel. It's opaque. It's a black cream kind of face wash. So very, very amazing. When you just use it on your face, it becomes gray, and you need to use it for 2-3 minutes. Just keep on moving your hands in circular motion, and it actually cleans your face. Your face would feel very, very brightened and glowy after this. So I love this, love this, love this. Next face wash is again a charcoal face wash. I just used it once, but I really like it. Those products are also 5-star. Okay, this is Aloe Veda activated charcoal. So this is completely herbal. That one was not herbal, the other one. This one was not herbal, but this is completely herbal. I really like herbal products. So activated charcoal deep pure detox face wash. It is sulfate free. It is with activated charcoal, lemon peel extracts. It detoxifies the deep pore action. It's paraben free. It's soap free. So obviously it's herbal, so it is free from everything which can harm your skin, paraben or sulfate. So this is 210 rupees. Okay, this one is a little pricey than the other two, and it is, I guess, it has to be 100 ml, so it's 100 ml, so it is almost double of those. Okay, then it's fine, it's economical. Okay, and this is also like a little not very thick like the other two, but little thin, but a very beautiful face wash. Okay, so next product I am telling you is a scrub, which I really love. This is a Neutrogena deep clean blackhead eliminating daily scrub. It has blackhead fighting complex in it. It's 40 grams for rupees 140, and पहली बात इसकी फ्रेग्रेंस बहुत अच्छी है, और दूसरी बात इट एक्चुअली वर्क्स. थोड़ा सा ये बस इतना सा ही है, इट्स न्यू, जस्ट वंस मैंने यूज़ किया, इतना सा ही है ये, बट एक्चुअली आप इसको यूज़ करोगे, इट हैज़ वेरी हार्ड एंड very, very scratchy kind of particles in it, and they actually they remove your blackheads. I don't have many blackheads, but you can still use it like once in 10-15 days. Why not? कुछ भी हो face पे, if there is anything on your face, some that दाने kind of thing, that dots, that keel जो हमारे face पे आ जाती है, हम pinch करते हैं तो निकल जाती है, those kind of things you can really remove with these one very easily without paining and all that. So this is very nice. Okay, next one is a very beautiful product which I recently came across. One of my most favorite YouTube blogger, it uses this. She uses this. That is Garnier Skin Naturals Wrinkle Lift. Okay, this is a cream, like a creme, day creme, and I don't know about the wrinkle part. It lifts wrinkle or not, but it is damn moisturizing. It is very hydrating. I have started using it since more than like 10-15 days. I ordered it before lockdown, long time before lockdown. It was lying for like 6 months, and I've been all in biotic creams and Face Shop and Faces Canada and other primers, but now I have started using this. I apply this first and then I apply my primer. Primer is optional. You guys know I'm not a everyday priming person. Like every day if I have to apply makeup, I don't apply primer every day, but I apply moisturizer. Everyone has to apply moisturizers every day. So this is an amazing one. I am going to buy next. This is 10 stars out of 5. It makes your makeup stay. It keeps your face hydrated for 4, 5, 6 hours. You're really gonna love this. Very, very, very hydrating, and it's 260 rupees for 40 gram. I think isse bada, there is no much bigger packing than this. This is the biggest, I think. It has small, but I don't think they have the big packing than this. If they have, I'll buy it. So yeah, Garnier Skin Naturals Wrinkle Lift Pre-Retinol from Nature Anti-Aging Cream. It's written it's anti-aging cream. I don't know if it's anti-aging. Nothing can stop you from aging, So yeah, cream, very, very good, very good, amazing product. Okay, next product is again the last skincare product. It's a Nykaa Skin Potion. Nykaa recently launched this like few months before. I wanted to buy this one, the pink bottle. There are a lot of options in it. for this. This one is glow boosting and it is always out of stock, but I kept on checking it every day. There is no discount. It is 700 rupees for 30 ml. So I use it as a primer and I use it as a mask overnight. Sometimes I apply my moisturizer and then I apply this glow boosting oil and then I apply my makeup. It acts as primer also, but for like last week I used it twice or thrice for overnight. Like I washed my face with some charcoal face wash and then I applied 4 or 5 drops of it on my face and I slept. And in the morning face was very, I won't say it's fresh, but I don't know, there was very soothing and calming feelings in my face. You know, face was very good. So I really like it. It has a lot of positive reviews on Nykaa, and it's facial oil, so I can use it like a primer, and or you can use it like primer, or you know, just keep it overnight, or din mein you just wake up and nahane ke baad, after taking a bath, you apply this and you just fine. If you don't have to go outside, just apply a lip gloss. That's enough. You can make your mascara, your brows, your kajal, but on face apply this one only. So this is very good product. I am going to be trying others also in it, like for dry skin, for irritated skin, for etc. बहुत सारी. This is for glow boosting. Last but not the least, which is a makeup product, is this one. I used it in my videos once or twice, but I haven't reviewed it. So it is Makeup Revolution London Glow Revolution Prime Set Glow Illuminating Face and Body Spray. So it is 200 ml for 1500 rupees. I don't know where the price was written. It's not written anywhere, but I remember it is 15 या 15, so okay, it is for like 1500 bucks, and it is 200 ml, so it's not gonna get over soon. It is amazing. You need to shake it for like good 10-15 seconds. Lot of glitters. It is a illuminating spray, so I use it as a face setting spray. I use it as a face setting spray and on my neck and everywhere, so it's a golden shine. There are 2 shades, bronze and gold, so I took the gold one because we Indians are already tanned and we don't have to have a lot of bronze glow on our skin. You use bronzer also. I would any day go for gold glow than the bronze one. So these are the products. Very good product. You can go for this. A little pricey, but 200 ml won't gonna get over for like 1.5 years. So yeah, so these were the products I wanted to review since around a month since this lockdown. So I love all these products. All products are amazing. You can have blind faith on these products, and these products have not done anything bad on my face. I have dry skin, and I have seen oily skin people reviews also on Nykaa. Like I read a lot of reviews before buying a product. So these are amazing products. You can go for any of these without any doubt. This was the video for today, and next video, I don't know when I'm gonna make next video, but it has to be a makeup tutorial or maybe anything else, I don't know. Till then, you need to take care of yourself, stay home, stay safe, and try to be happy, which is very difficult. I don't know. So take care, bye bye.